yung daan guys. So, papuntang Agos. Agos. Ito. So, ang layo ng Eagle. Ayan o. Guys, hindi klaro guys. Hindi makikita guys. Okay. Okay. Ito yung cage niya. Laki. American Pekin. Okay. Here again is a pigeon. I don't know what kind of pigeon is this. This one is a it's like a serpent eagle. Oh.
What's your
Banugon.
hook?
In Bisaya, Banugon.
What's the name of eagle? Hook eagle.
Oh.
Hook eagle.
It's here only in the Mantianak Park. Uy! Dili, sige nung siya. Okay. Oh, this one is a it's like a serpent eagle. Okay, this one is a banugon in Bisaya.
A boat eagle.
Ito yung mga eagles na lumilipad sa tabing dagat. Nangunguha ng isda. Oh. Okay.
Eagle bear.
Ito si
Jared.
ito si masungit na unggoy.
Oh, hi, monkey. Ano sa ako siya ka?
Ay, suko siya babae. Nagagalit siya pag may babae oh. Totoo. No, si Kwan lang yung gagawin no si oh. Galit siya kay Ate Nitan. Ito.
Nagka-crush sa imo ni. Gusto na ko. Ali gali ate.
Okay.
Let's go.
This one, ito po ay isang tariktik hornbill Pinilopidis panini. Habitat Philippines. Oh. Okay. Hi. Lagi. Wow. What kind of animal? What kind of bird is this, Dodong? Hawk. Wow.
Hi, Hawk.
Okay. Hawk daw, sabi ng pamangkin ko. Hi. Ito, ang ganda oh. Gandang parrot oh. Oh. Wow. Sumasayaw pa.
Oh no,
Oh.
it's a snake. Oh, I'm scared.
Dalawang green at red.
The snake.
Oh, wow, ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. Kakatu. Oh, saba. Yan oh. Ang laking ahas, ang laking sawa. Ew. Hi. Ew. Yan oh, mga ganda oh. Wow. Ito pa oh. Grabe. Okay. Okay. Ha? This one is a myna bird. This one is a myna bird. Moro na siya, nag-shout. Myna bird. This one is another myna bird. Okay. Wow, ganda talaga. Ang ganda oh. What is this?
Turtle.
What?
Sea turtle. Sea turtle eggs.
Oh, wow.
To this.
Wow, this one is, what is this, Dodo?
A maca!
What?
A blue maca!
Blue, oh, this one, what is this?
Canary!
Oh, that one?
Red and green parrots!
Red and green parrots. Oh, this is my pamangkin, oh.